Solid-state drives, SSDs, are advanced storage devices that significantly enhance computing speed and efficiency compared to traditional hard disk drives, HDDs. Unlike HDDs, which rely on spinning disks for data access, SSDs utilize NAND flash memory technology, allowing for rapid data retrieval and transfer. The structure of an SSD consists of memory cells organized into pages and blocks, enabling instant access to stored data due to the absence of moving parts. A crucial component of SSDs is the controller, which oversees data management tasks such as wear leveling, garbage collection, and error correction. Wear leveling ensures that write and erase cycles are evenly distributed across memory cells, thus extending the SSD's lifespan by preventing premature wear. Garbage collection plays a vital role in maintaining performance by consolidating unused data, freeing up space without requiring user intervention. As technology evolves, understanding SSDs becomes essential for optimizing computing experiences, especially for users seeking faster boot times and improved data access speeds. Overall, SSDs represent a significant advancement in storage technology, making them a preferred choice for modern computing needs.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.